Hello, Detective Brandon.
Oh, hello, Captain Holly.
And how are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Good. What is going on?
Looks like someone stole a bag of candy.
Okay, let's check the cameras. Well, it's a beaver.
Okay, we are searching for a beaver.
Okay, let's look for some clues.
Right.
What's this? It's island.
It is an island. What is this circled?
I think the beaver must be in Ireland.
Let's take a boat.
Okay.
Hey, mama, how is it going? Can see your body moving. Don't leave the party time. Keep booty
Well, here is Ireland.
Wow. It's beautiful. Wait! It's starting to rain! Oh god.
Wait, a text message. It must be from the beaver.
Come closer, come closer, come closer.
This is Sydney.
Well,
It's the Sydney Opera House.
I think so too. Let's take a plane.
Okay. Oh, Australia! It's too hot. Oh my God. Whew. But we still have work to do. We need to find the beaver. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Australian Post, I have a telegram for you. Oh, a telegram! My telegram!
Thank you, Mrs. Kangaroo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The beaver is in the USA. Stop. Good luck. Stop. Major Ben. Stop.
Okay, Major Ben says the beaver is in the USA.
USA! Let's go! Let's go!
Okay,
let's go.
So, Captain Holly and Detective Brandon decided to ride camels, go on a hot air balloon, ride horses, and finally take the train.
I prefer this.
I agree. Times Square, New York, USA. It's so big! Oh!
We're looking for the beaver, okay?
Okay, Captain. Captain, look!
The beaver is in Canada.
Come on, we need to go to Canada. Come on.
Lisa.
Wait! A car!
Get in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So, you are going to Canada?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Okay. Why?
We are searching for a beaver.
A naughty beaver.
Wait. The beaver?
The beaver.
Wait. He is in Toronto. Wait.
Here is his address.
Oh! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.